I'm Reed from Petrainer. Thank you for your purchase of your new dog training system, the 998DB1. I'm going to quickly go over what's inside the box, key features, how to operate the unit, and pairing the receiver to the transmitter. Inside the box, you have an adjustable 7-inch to 25 inches TPU collar strap. You also have a compact, lightweight transmitter, your receiver collar, an AC standard wall charger, USB charger, and a splitter cable to charge both the receiver and transmitter at the same time. Test light to test the static function, and 2 sets of contact points for different furlings. Key features of this training system are rechargeable transmitter and receiver, also a waterproof receiver, 4 modes which include vibration, static shock, tone, and light, and lastly power conserving system to save battery life, which we refer to as a sleep mode. Before attempting the pairing process, please ensure you've charged both your receiver until you see a green light, and the transmitter continue charging until the red light is turned off. To begin the pairing process, press the mode button on the remote transmitter. Ensure you're on channel 1. If you are not, press the 1 and 2 button until you are. To turn on the receiver collar, press the on and off button on the top, and then press and hold the on and off button until you're greeted with a beep and a green light will begin to flash. And then immediately press the Y button on the transmitter and you'll be greeted with another beep, indicating pairing is successful. Now that you've paired the receiver to the transmitter, I'll demonstrate each button on the transmitter, starting with the mode button. This button allows you to cycle through each mode. The modes in order are light, tone, vibration, and static shock. The Y button allows you to send a signal either to the receiver or to the transmitter itself. I'll first demonstrate the light mode, which when pressing the Y button on your transmitter just lights up your transmitter on the top. I'll now demonstrate the tone mode, which emits a tone when you are pressing the Y button on your transmitter. I'm now going to demonstrate the vibration. You can control the vibration intensity level with the dial on the side. You have up to 0 to 100 for stimulation. That's the vibration. And now I'll demonstrate the static shock, starting at around 10. And the higher you go, the brighter the test bulb will be when testing your static shock function. Yeah, and now for the rest of the buttons on the transmitter, you have a light button located here, which just ignites a light on top of the transmitter. This would be useful for finding your dog in the dark. The 1-2 button is for switching between if you had a second receiver and your first. And then, like I said before, the 2 buttons on the side are for controlling stimulation, 0 to 100 for static shock and vibration modes. The higher the level, the more stimulation delivered to the receiver. I'm now going to show you how to wake up the transmitter and the receiver. For the transmitter, you press any button except for the light button at the top and it will wake up instantly. And for the receiver, just any movement sensed by your dog will wake it up. That rattling you hear inside is perfectly normal. That is the sensor. That's it. And that's how you wake up your transmitter and receiver. As you can see, after waking up the transmitter and the receiver, they should function normally. All the modes should work normally. This is also the static mode, and that's every function. I'm now going to show you that the receiver collar is completely waterproof. Whoa. As you can see, it's still operating while submerged in the water. As you can see, or as I'm about to show you, After submerging in the water, the receiver still works perfectly fine.